How do chain of thought prompts work in prompt engineering? Have you ever wondered how artificial intelligence can solve complex problems like a human? Today, we will discuss chain of thought prompting and how it enhances the reasoning abilities of large language models. This technique is a game changer in the field of prompt engineering. Chain of thought prompting encourages models to break down problems into smaller, logical steps. Instead of jumping straight to an answer, the model is guided to think aloud. This mimics the way humans approach problem solving. For example, a prompt might include phrases like, "Let's think step by step," or "Explain your answer in detail." These cues help the model articulate its thought process. There are two main methods to apply chain of thought prompting. The first is called zero-shot chain of thought prompting. In this method, the model receives a reasoning instruction without any prior examples. For instance, simply adding, "Let's think step by step" to a question prompts the model to generate its reasoning steps independently. The second method is known as few-shot chain of thought prompting. Here, the prompt includes several examples of problems that have been solved with detailed reasoning steps. By showing the model how to tackle similar problems, it learns to replicate that reasoning process. This often leads to more accurate results. Chain of thought prompting is particularly effective for tasks that involve arithmetic, common sense reasoning, and multi-step logic. For example, when dealing with math word problems, this technique helps the model focus on solving one part at a time. This approach can lead to clearer and more accurate answers. From a coding perspective, implementing chain of thought prompting is straightforward. You can create prompts that explicitly ask the model to explain its reasoning. Alternatively, you can provide example prompts that demonstrate stepwise problem solving. This method does not require any retraining or fine-tuning of the model, making it accessible for developers who wish to improve the reasoning quality of their AI applications. Moreover, chain of thought prompting can be combined with other techniques, such as tree of thought prompting. This allows the model to explore multiple reasoning paths before arriving at the best conclusion, which can further enhance performance on complex tasks. In essence, chain of thought prompts guide language models to generate a sequence of intermediate reasoning steps. This enables them to tackle complex problems more effectively and transparently. This technique is a useful tool for developers aiming to create AI systems that reason more like humans and produce reliable outputs.